Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can see your total spendings on Amazon. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Amazon.com and log in your Amazon account. Once you're inside the main screen, set your focus on the top right corner and hover your mouse on your profile. So, from here, you can either click on orders or you can click on your profile itself. And then a bunch of options will appear right here, including your orders, login and security, Prime, your addresses, business account, and so much more, as you can see. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on our orders. This will show our entire history in Amazon, including all our orders. And we can even use this filter, whether it's for the past 3 months or for our entire history of orders for this year, 2025. Now, Amazon will not completely calculate the total of our orders, but by doing this filter or by using it, you can accurately see all your previous orders and you can easily compute it with a calculator. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!